machines. We have most of our items that we need for building the PC. Of course, it's nothing but high quality products, as you can see here. I'm still waiting for the processor, the AMD Ryzen 2400G, which I'll be putting in here. Using the AMD Ryzen 2400G, G standing for graphics, so it has integrated graphics. So I won't need a graphics card. From all my research, it should play games and do my video editing like I need it to. I already did unboxing for the power supply, the fans, and the memory. Today we're going to talk about the case, do an open box on the case, and later on we'll do an unboxing of the motherboard. And then I'll start installing components into the case, one at a time, and show that in a future video. As you can see, this is the Raidmax, right there. Vortex V5 gaming PC case, computer case. We'll turn the box around here on the side. You can see some of the specs on it. It has external dry base. You have two 5 1/4 inch dry base, three 3.5 inch hard dry base, 3 times 2.5 inch hard dry base. You also have expansion slots for 7 standard ATX slots. Yes, it supports ATX, micro ATX, mini ATX. It also has I/O ports on the front, one USB 3.0, one USB 2.0, and you have your two high definition audio connectors at the top. Microphone and speaker. Turning the case again, here's some more of the features. Special designed side panel for cable management. Gives you more space behind the motherboard. Support 120 liquid cooling system. You can place a 120 millimeter fan at the top. Has the top mounted, like I said, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, HD audio ports on top, right there. Has a bottom mounted PSU. And it has space for long video cards, like 390 millimeter, space for a 300 millimeter, and you have 280 millimeter space down at the bottom. So there's plenty of space for a long video card if you have one. Alright, opening up the box. This is my first time seeing this case. Looks like a nice case. It doesn't weigh very much. Which has its good values and bad values. Not weighing very much means it's probably built pretty light and metal, so you don't really want to knock it over or kick it. It can dent easy. So there that is, right there. You've got your two inputs for your audio, your microphone and your headphones. And then you have your USB 3.0 port and a USB 2.0 port. This is your power button. There's a nice firm click to it. This will be your reset button, which I've never seen that nice looking. Kind of like an Alienware type case. Anyways, so your 220 millimeter fans will fit in the front for cooling to draft some air in. Also your hard drives will be in the front, so that'll help cool that, along with bringing airflow to the back of the machine. It'll also direct some airflow toward your video card and your processor. You'll have a 120 millimeter fan at the top if you choose to add fans, and there is already a 120 millimeter fan back here. So your airflow is going to come into the machine up this direction, then you have your processor fan blowing air out, and then you got your 120 millimeter fan here taking the air out, and this 120 millimeter fan right here removing the air. So nice airflow from front, top, and back. So that's the end of the video about the Raidmax V5 Vortex gaming PC case. I like it. It's a little bit light in weight, not real heavy, not that strong, but what do you need in a gaming case anyway? It's not like you're going to pick it up and throw it around. Just want to make sure everything's placed in there securely and everything functions correctly. Would I recommend it? Definitely. Especially for the price. Lazada, I paid $14.50 plus $200 or $300 for shipping. Still, it's a great value. So, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, click the like button, and give me some comments. Maybe I can do something better. I'm always open for a positive suggestion. And don't forget, no matter what you're doing it with somebody else.